Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss that what are the types of search queries or keywords. So what are search queries or keywords? The words and phrases that people type into a search box in order to pull up a list of results, right? The search which we do on a search box to get some results, right? They are divided into three types. One is a navigational search query, informational search query, and transactional search queries. So when we talk about navigational search query, when someone searches for a specific brand or website, for suppose example, somebody searching doing a website in his mind, suppose YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter, right? If I am having a website, my name of my website is Floret Aroma. So this is the name of my website. So when somebody is making a transactional query, I want this result to come up. It's taking some time. The internet is a bit slow for Floret Aroma. So this would be a navigational query. I want my website to come up for the specific query. So why to target this key? Why it's important to target this type of keywords is that I should make sure for this keyword my website is coming up. Otherwise, what will happen? The prospective client or customer will leave my search results and go to the other website. Okay. Second is informational search queries. Or when somebody searches how, what, and when. You can see as how can we do SEO. How can we do SEO? This is an informational query. Sorry, it's taking a bit of time. See what happens. We are getting some results. So the keyword is how can we do SEO. The results are here. Some results are coming. These type of queries are known as information. What is SEO and how it works. You can see Google is also giving us some suggestions. See, you can see here search engine optimization techniques, basic SEO knowledge tutorial, where the intent of where the client is to know something about the service or a product. So why we are studying this? What we can do is that we can just like these people are doing AHRE. What we can do is that we can target these type of keywords when the customer is at the initial phase of his buying. How we can do is that we can write a blog, we can create a how-to video, what to video, write a detailed step-by-step guide for a business, design an infographic. These 4 or 5 things which we can do. For example, you can see the website. This is an AHRA website. Yeah. It's opening up, it's taking some time. So they have written a detailed blog about how to do SEO. They have a video as well, you can see over here. They have a video, they have a detailed description of how to do SEO. They also have an infographic. Correct? Yeah. Now let's see what are transactional search queries. Transactional search queries that indicates an intent to complete a transaction, such as making a purchase. When somebody actually includes in keyword buy, purchase, or order, right? Let's see it over here. You can just see it on example. Buy, buy shoes online. Let's make a search like this. Yeah, what we are getting is that these are known as transactional queries. Mindra is optimizing for this keyword. Flipkart, Bata, Amazon, Fashos, Who's, Shoploose. So some websites are coming up. So they are all optimizing for this keyword. So when we study the title of the website, they have shoes, buy, and online. These three words they are having in the meta title. Also, you can see the description: shoes, online, buy. So all the three keywords which I type are having in this website. In this website, they are having. Right? So why most SEO people they try to target these type of keywords to get better revenue and results. So these are going to give you best results. These are the type of keywords which are going to give you best results. But we recommend specifically in SEO Parrots that we also target informative keywords. The only problem with transactional keywords is that they are very very difficult to see. USA that for this keyword Mindra website is coming up, so it's very very difficult. And Flipkart, Amazon, so they are all very very reputed brands. So it's very difficult to beat them through SEO. So what we our keyword search process should be that we can target buy men's shoes online. See, this is a very very, you can say, one, two, three, four, five words are there in this keyword. So what we can do is that increase the words in the sentence, right? And so there is a chance that they can that you would be able to rank for these keywords. And Google is also giving us a suggestion. For suppose red tape formal shoes, right? Hush puppies formal shoes, right? So one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four. So yeah, one, two, three, four, five. So these type of keywords are easy. So what we can do is that we can use top 10 formal shoes, this keyword, and plus these type of keywords to get ranking. Yeah, shoe guide is coming up. This is what I'm trying to tell is that. So what will happen is that, so by this we can drive traffic. So you can see also Google is giving suggestions for that. So according to us, what we can do is that we can do a mix of targeting using navigational, informational, and transactional keywords. Navigational keywords, which means that when somebody is looking for a specific website, specific brand in his mind; informative, who, what, can, and when; and transaction, when he is looking to buy a product or a service. We suggest to use informative as well as transactional keywords to get better results. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.